If you're like me, you've probably been receiving emails about switching from traditional attribution to the new Google Ads data-driven attribution model. And that might be a little bit confusing for some people because most people aren't really familiar with attribution models at all, but they've been sending out emails warning people that things are going to be switched over to the new data-driven attribution model. And there's even a warning up here that says first click, linear, time decay, and position-based attribution models in Google Ads will be going away starting later this year. Data-driven and last-click attribution models won't be impacted. So basically all that means is they're phasing out some of these older attribution models in favor of some new data-driven attribution models. And by data-driven, we're really just talking about using models like with artificial intelligence that can help understand what's actually happening throughout the process of somebody becoming a lead or a customer for your company. So as data processing becomes more sophisticated, we're able to attribute conversions, sales, and stuff like that more accurately with this new model, right? That's sort of the idea, especially as things change with like cookie policies and privacy policies around the globe changing. This new model is going to be helpful so that you can actually determine what's leading to people becoming customers for your business. Now, I'm in the new Google Ads layout. They're kind of rolling this out, so yours may look different, but I figured we would do this on the new Google Ads setup because that's how most people are going to be seeing this now. To get here, all you do is come over to your goals. When you click goals, it should show you these options here, and then there will be a drop down for measurement. Underneath measurement, you'll find attribution. If you click that, it'll bring you to the overview page, and then you can come over here to look at the switch to DDA, DDA standing for data-driven attribution. And you'll do it on a conversion action basis typically. So, we've got people who are calling, filling out forms to become leads, first-time phone callers, repeat phone callers, etc. These are all, it's saying, eligible right now to switch over to the data-driven attribution model, but they're probably on like first click or linear right now. And the difference, well, there's a lot of differences, but if you click this Learn More button right here, it's going to pop open this window that's going to kind of explain what this is all about. So it explains how you can switch things over, and also gives us a more in-depth understanding of what data-driven attribution is. And basically it just gives credit for conversions based on how people engage with your various ads and decide to become your customers. So when possible, it uses data from your account to determine which keywords, ads, and campaigns have the greatest impact on your business goals. And those goals will be different for every business. Some people are trying to get sales, some people are trying to get leads. And it's just going to look at the performance of your entire account, all of the ads and campaigns and everything in your account, and figure out what touch points led to somebody becoming a lead or a sale for your business. So if you think about it, somebody might click on a search ad, go to your website, like what you're talking about, but then later they see a remarketing ad on like the display network on the side of a website. They click that and then become a lead and a customer. When they interacted with two different ads, Google's going to know that, and it's going to attribute part of the conversion data or value or even purchase value to both of those ads. So what's really interesting is you'll start to see your conversions displayed as fractions. What that means is a conversion can be 0.5. You can have 0.5 conversions from one ad and 0.5 conversions from another ad. Basically what that means is together those ads make one conversion because the person interacted with both ads in order to become a conversion or a customer for your company. And it's looking at all sorts of different data, from your website, store visits, Google Analytics, YouTube, display, discovery ads, etc., etc. You can also get into all the different benefits, and it talks about how things will be switched over automatically at a certain point because they are phasing out these older attribution models. So if you got an email, it's probably saying that, we're going to switch you over to the new data-driven attribution model in the next 30 days. You might be thinking to yourself, oh crap, what does that mean? Is that going to screw everything up? It usually doesn't have a huge impact on the results. If anything, it just makes things a little bit better, and it makes the conversion tracking or purchase tracking a bit easier, and allows you to better understand what's leading to actual goals for your business, whether that be sales or leads, right? So that's basically it. I mean, it's nothing too complicated. You can just go ahead and switch it manually or let Google Ads do it for you. Once it happens, you'll notice some changes in your leads. Instead of seeing that you have 35 leads, you might have 35.5 leads, which you might think, oh, that's strange. How can you have 0.5 leads? But again, it's just distributing that data across multiple ads in a fractional format so that you can tell better where things are, or what ads are performing best for your company and driving the results that you want to see. So I hope that's helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about in terms of the Google Ads data-driven attribution model or anything like that, don't hesitate to reach out. You can just drop your questions in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to get back to them there. Look, if you're the type of person that just doesn't even want to deal with Google Ads anymore, then you can always reach out to me. My company is Missoula SEO Geek. I'll leave a link to my website down below, but we do manage Google Ads for different companies in different industries, and you can come learn about what we do, what makes us unique. You can even read some of the testimonials from some businesses that we've taken from 0 to over $1 million in revenue, like this one here, and really just see that, this is the type of thing that's going to explode your business growth. So feel free to reach out. You can always give us a call or contact us through our website, and look forward to working with you.